In a world where artificial intelligence is advancing at lightning speed, two innovative systems stand out: DeepSeek and ChatGPT. Both promise to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. But how do they compare? DeepSeek's pinpoint data search capabilities versus Chat's human-like conversational skills. Who comes out on top? Let's break it down and explore the future of AI. Welcome to the Atomic Domain, the place where cutting-edge technology meets curiosity. In this video, we're exploring the showdown between two of the most exciting AI guns today, DeepSeek and ChatGPT. These systems represent the future of artificial intelligence, each offering a different approach to revolutionizing industries and shaping the way we live. Get ready to dive deep into the technologies, strengths, and potential of both AIs. This is one match you won't want to miss. The rise of artificial intelligence has been nothing short of spectacular, with systems becoming increasingly sophisticated and capable. But among the most exciting developments in AI are DeepSeek and ChatGPT. While both systems harness the power of machine learning and artificial intelligence to accomplish complex tasks, they represent two fundamentally different approaches. So, what happens when these two cutting-edge technologies go head-to-head? How do their abilities compare? In this battle of AIs, we'll break down what each system excels at and examine their strengths, weaknesses, and potential future impact. DeepSeek is a groundbreaking AI built for one primary purpose: precision. While many AI systems are designed to process large amounts of information and learn from it, DeepSeek focuses on one thing: retrieving the most accurate and relevant data possible. Whether it's searching through millions of research papers or combing through vast datasets, DeepSeek is programmed to find exactly what users need, without the excess. At its core, DeepSeek utilizes advanced machine learning algorithms and natural language processing (NLP) to understand the structure and meaning behind large amounts of unstructured data. Unlike traditional search engines that rely on keywords and broad search queries, DeepSeek narrows down the possibilities and presents the most relevant results with lightning speed and efficiency. Its precision is what sets it apart, especially in fields like medicine, law, and scientific research, where accuracy is crucial. In a healthcare setting, for example, DeepSeek could sift through thousands of research papers to pinpoint studies on rare diseases, providing researchers with the most up-to-date and relevant information. Similarly, in legal research, DeepSeek's algorithms could rapidly comb through complex legal databases, offering lawyers and paralegals the precise case law they need for their arguments. The true power of DeepSeek lies in its ability to find the needle in the haystack, identifying the most valuable data points with remarkable accuracy. However, DeepSeek is highly specialized. Its primary function is data retrieval, and it doesn't possess the conversational abilities of a system like ChatGPT. So, while DeepSeek is incredibly powerful for research and data-intensive tasks, it falls short when it comes to engaging users in more interactive or dynamic scenarios. On the other side of the AI spectrum stands ChatGPT. Created by OpenAI, ChatGPT has garnered attention for its ability to engage in human-like conversations. ChatGPT is not a data retrieval tool, it's a conversational AI that uses a transformer-based model to generate and understand natural language. It has been trained on vast datasets, including books, articles, and other text from the internet, to better simulate a human conversation. ChatGPT excels in areas where communication is key. Whether you're asking for help with a homework problem, brainstorming ideas, or seeking technical advice, ChatGPT can hold a conversation, answer questions, and offer suggestions. Its responses are contextually aware and often tailored to the tone and complexity of the input it receives. It can even answer follow-up questions and provide more in-depth explanations as needed. One of the most impressive aspects of ChatGPT is its ability to remember context within a conversation. Unlike simpler chatbots that can only respond to individual queries, ChatGPT can keep track of previous messages and provide more relevant, coherent answers as the conversation progresses. This makes it incredibly useful for applications in customer service, educational tools, and interactive storytelling. However, ChatGPT is not without its limitations. While it's fantastic for conversational tasks, it doesn't have the same level of accuracy when it comes to searching for or analyzing specific data points. For example, if you ask ChatGPT to find the latest research on quantum physics, it wouldn't be able to retrieve precise, updated academic papers like DeepSeek could. Instead, ChatGPT would provide a general explanation based on its training data, which might not be as accurate or specific. Despite these limitations, Chat's conversational abilities make it a highly versatile tool for a wide range of applications. Its human-like dialogue and adaptability make it an ideal choice for tasks that involve interaction, engagement, or explanation, particularly in customer support or creative fields like content creation. Now that we've looked at the capabilities of both DeepSeek and ChatGPT, how do they compare directly? DeepSeek's strength lies in its ability to retrieve precise, highly relevant information from vast datasets. It's designed for accuracy and efficiency, making it ideal for research-heavy fields. ChatGPT, on the other hand, excels in engagement and communication. It can hold conversations, provide explanations, and engage with users in a way that feels natural and dynamic. While ChatGPT doesn't focus on retrieving data, it can explain concepts, offer insights, and assist with creative brainstorming. DeepSeek is highly specialized. Its algorithms are fine-tuned to handle specific tasks like data retrieval, making it perfect for industries where precision is crucial. ChatGPT, however, is versatile. It can handle a wide range of conversations across various topics, making it useful in diverse applications, from customer service to educational tutoring and content generation. DeepSeek is designed to access and retrieve real-time data. It can continuously update its knowledge base as new research, reports, or documents become available. ChatGPT, in contrast, is limited by the data it was trained on. While it can provide general information, its knowledge might not be up to date with the latest developments in certain fields. This makes DeepSeek a more reliable choice for scenarios requiring the most current information. Ultimately, the question of which AI system is superior depends on the task at hand. If you need real-time, accurate, and highly specific data, DeepSeek is the clear choice. It's a tool built for precision and efficiency, making it invaluable in fields like healthcare, law, and research. However, if you're looking for a system that can engage in natural, human-like conversations, offer explanations, and provide context across a variety of subjects, ChatGPT takes the lead. In the future, it's likely that both AI systems will continue to evolve and complement each other. For example, a future hybrid system may combine the data retrieval capabilities of DeepSeek with the conversational skills of ChatGPT, creating a highly dynamic AI that can both find the most relevant information and explain it in a user-friendly way. As AI continues to evolve, the possibilities are endless. Systems like DeepSeek and ChatGPT will continue to improve, allowing industries to harness the power of artificial intelligence in new and innovative ways. DeepSeek could revolutionize fields like research and healthcare, providing faster, more accurate results. ChatGPT could change the way we interact with technology, making our conversations with machines feel more natural and engaging. In conclusion, whether you're looking for precision or interaction, DeepSeek and ChatGPT offer unique advantages. By understanding their strengths and limitations, we can better appreciate their impact on the world of artificial intelligence. As these technologies continue to develop, we're likely to see even more breakthroughs in AI that will shape the future of industries and society as a whole. Thank you for watching. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Share this video with anyone who's curious about AI and its future potential. We'll be back with more deep dives into the world of technology, so stay tuned. Until next time, keep exploring the atomic domain of knowledge.